In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clean noisy point clouds with the Metrics SDK. I'm loading scan data from a bin picking application. As you can see, there is a lot of outliers, a lot of noise. To have a better impression of what has been scanned here, I'm computing the normals of this point cloud, so we have a shaded visualization. Now, the first thing we do is we remove outliers. There is a cleaning option, remove outliers, and this removes all points that do not have a minimum number of neighbors in a search radius. So it already removed a lot of the outliers. But when we take a closer look at the data, we see that here in this area, here and here and here, there is data that is not real on the physical object. It's a scanning artifact and we want to remove this. So there is a menu item here to remove steep points. And this allows us to remove all points that have a surface normal more than 60 degrees to the scanning direction. So this removed the scanning artifacts that we have in the data here. The next step would be to remove all those small areas here in these regions, and there is a possibility to remove small segments. Now we remove all connected regions that have less than 1000 points. And as we see now, we have extracted those points that we need for further processing of this scan data. Now that we did this, I would like to show you another option to get to a similar result, but with a shorter processing time. The processing that we did here in total, it was about 600 milliseconds, all the algorithms together. But there is an option when we use range images that gives us a very improved performance to get the similar results. So I'm creating a range image. This took 70 milliseconds now, and now we have an image of height values, and we can use image processing algorithms. And so here we can do some cleaning, for example, erode and delete, which removes all those thin areas here. And we can do a cleaning of small segments as we did with the point cloud, and then we get a similar result. And as we can see here, we had 70 and 30 and 27 milliseconds. In total, 120 milliseconds, including update of the renderers. So the algorithms itself, it took less than 120 milliseconds for the whole process. So if you can use range images for cleaning or processing, this is always an interesting option because of the high performance with these algorithms.